Alright guys, and welcome back to the show on the water. And like you can see, we're still here, and I think we're gonna get wet because look, interesting, it was raining right there, and it's still windy, but it's okay though. I guess the islanders haven't gotten here yet. Alright, look at that dark cloud. Now look, the dark clouds all over us, but if you look down there, that's where we're going, and it's down south. It's clear, and I noticed that sometimes when we go down south, it always rains at downtown Miami, but it never rains down south. So I'm not afraid of it. So you know, but it looks ugly. Oh, like you saw, I don't know what you call those things. I know it's not a kayak and it's not a canoe, but they're out here and they're not afraid of getting wet. And they're actually fighting against the wind, because the wind is, like I said, is really blowing. So that's pretty cool. I guess they're getting their exercise early in the morning. So we're here, I guess, relaxing, and I guess we'll catch some breakfast in a little bit and see what happens, see what the day brings us. All right, so like you guys saw, it's raining outside again, but to me, I think it's only temporary. So we're hanging out in the cabin. I guess we're gonna try to do some breakfast by Chef Big Mama La Casa.
The dogs go first.
The dogs go first? Yeah, that's a cool shirt you got. I like it. Let me see that shirt. I like it, man. That's a nice shirt. Uh-oh, 10 bar life.
We're really spoiled.
Yes, why?
We're gonna make eggs. We have coffee.
Oh yeah, eggs, coffee, and protein muffins that she made.
For myself.
For herself. And she actually put them in the microwave. And look at the kids. Bunk one. And he's on the mat. Well, yo, why are you doing in the master bedroom, sir? See, this is down here is the master. The big bed. And that's the bedroom 1, bedroom 2. And down there is bedroom 3 that we're now using for storage since Gabby's not here. So, hey, look at Yuli. Yuli wants some breakfast too. Well, look at Yuli, boy. He's standing up saying, "What's up? Where's my stuff at?" Okay. Oh, because you're making him food. That's why. I'm like, what is he looking at? I thought he was looking at your muffins. He's ready to eat. You hungry, Yuli? Look at him, look at him, look at him. He's posting. Say, where's my food, girl? Woman, where's my food? Serve me. So, I guess it is Regatta 2020, but like you guys already know, 2020 so far, everything has changed and we have to adjust. So Regatta, we have to change and adjust to whatever happens today. So right now we're just taking it slow, grab some breakfast, and then maybe wait for our friends and then head out and see what the day brings us. So no worries, be happy. All right guys, so let's check out the morning view after the rain. Check it out, check it out. It was raining earlier, and look at now how pretty. Well, still semi-cloudy, but it's okay. We got more boaters at the island, and look at the day. There we go, right there. Woo. All right, guys, so we're picking up because my friend just called us. And they're by the marina, so we're gonna go ahead and pick them up. And they're pretty excited because they know the Regatta is fun time in the water. And they were pretty worried because they were watching the weather just like us. And for them, it was raining too, but now they're glad it's cleared up and it's time to get going. And once again, we're cruising by downtown Miami because we're heading south under the Regatta Causeway. That's the big bridge that you saw from yesterday's video that we were coming in. And if you haven't seen the previous video of this weekend, make sure you check it out. And let's go with the show down the road because we're heading south to Elliott Key. Well, actually, the Regatta, remember, is a sailboat race that happens at Biscayne Bay. And after the race, the people gather up at Elliott Key to celebrate. But something we noticed right away, usually there's a lot of sailboats on the water, and so far we only seen a few. So to me, that was a bad sign. But it didn't matter because we had the boat full of friends, full of fun, full of fuel, and we were still cruising at 35 miles an hour. And Fresquito's doing a great job driving. And we have arrived and set down anchor, but we was a little bit disappointed because normally there's hundreds of boats here, and so far there's maybe about 30 to 40 boats. But that wasn't gonna ruin our day because Elliott Key still is a beautiful place to come and hang out. And like you can notice, the water is crystal clear, and like you already know, as long as I'm on the water, it's good enough for me. So we're gonna finish settling in and enjoy the day. And something I noticed right away when I jumped in, that usually by this time of the year, the water feels pretty cool, but it's still warm. So that made it easier for the girls because they don't like cold water, especially Olguita. And like you noticed right away, the girls are taking advantage of the floating mat. And I decided to buy it because I have gone through over 6 different floats that always get punctured and wind out flat, and the mat doesn't. And while some play in the mat, the others are going to take advantage and take a ride around Elliott Key on the dinghy. And I'm just glad everybody's enjoying their day because it was a little bit disappointing, but we're making the best of it because we're having fun in the sun. So while the girls enjoy the mat and play in the water, let's go check out what everybody else is doing here at Elliott Key. And we got a surprise. Guess who showed up? Chef Doobie en la casa, and he came all the way from Haulover, Sandbar, to meet us here at Elliott Key. And he also was disappointed to see that basically there was no regatta festivities going on. So he suggested to head back up north to Haulover Sandbar. And now that's when this became a mission, because we actually went 20 miles south of Grandin Park. And if we decide to go to Haulover, it's gonna be about another 30 miles north. But you know what? We have all the time in the world and no hurries. So we decided to go ahead and take on the journey. So we picked up the dinghy, the mat, and we headed out. And I guess this is another part of 2020, the year that everything changed. But it's okay, we'll adjust and keep going. And I don't know about you guys, but this is turning out to be an interesting day, because we went from Elliott Key down south and now we're traveling all the way up north to Haulover Sandbar. I've never really done that. I never really have visited 2 sandbars in one day. So today is a little different. So it's going to be a part 2. So make sure to stay tuned, because we're going to go through downtown Miami, where we're going to see the beautiful skyline of the buildings up and close, and we're going to wind up at my favorite home, Haulover Sandbar.